Welcome. One of the hottest and most profitable skills you'll need to develop in 2025 is sales process engineering. Why? Because mastering the art of a repeatable sales process can unlock the doors to consistent success without stepping outside your comfort zone. This isn't about high-pressure tactics or becoming someone you're not. It's about creating a peaceful, authentic strategy that works for you. And the foundation? Business-to-business lead generation, the fuel for any thriving sales process. Hello, I'm Tim, a seasoned lead generation and marketing freelancer with over 2 decades of experience helping businesses identify, reach, and convert high-potential prospects. Specializing in data-driven strategies, I excel at transforming complex data into actionable insights, allowing my clients to target their ideal customer base with precision and efficiency. My experience in lead generation and marketing spans over 20 years of agency list segmentation, customer profiling, and developing marketing campaigns that drive measurable results. Whether you're a manufacturer looking to locate buyers for idle machinery, a B2B company seeking higher conversions, or a niche business needing targeted outreach. In this video, we'll focus on the first step, leveraging AI to generate free lead generation queries or prompts. AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. I'll show you how to harness it effectively for your business. In this video, we'll focus on the first step, leveraging AI to generate free lead generation queries or prompts. AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. I'll show you how to harness it effectively for your business. Create a clear title and give more context with a subheadline. So if you're ready to simplify your sales process and generate leads with ease, you're in the right place. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights to start building your own repeatable system. I've learned what works and, more importantly, what doesn't. Let's take the first step together. Subscribe, follow, or reach out. I'm here to be your partner in efficient lead generation. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet. The DTI method is all about finding businesses that need services, providing them with solutions using AI, and leveraging email outreach to connect. You don't need prior experience or a big budget, just follow these steps. Step 1, finding business email addresses. The first step is identifying potential clients. Use Google to search for businesses in your target industry. Here's an example of an effective search query. Search query. Example, site facebook.com. In title, Gmail or Hotmail or Outlook business type. Replace business type with terms like plumber or cafe to find contact details from local businesses. AI tool recommendation, hunter.io. This tool automates email finding and ensures accuracy. It pulls verified email addresses directly from websites, saving you time and effort. Pro tip, focus on local services like restaurants or small shops. They often need digital solutions and are more likely to respond. Working on Google Sheets, adding business details. Once you've gathered your list, organizing it is critical for follow-up. Here's how. Copy and paste the emails into a spreadsheet. Add columns for business names, locations, and notes. AI tool recommendation, Google Sheets with GPT for Sheets. Add-on. This handy tool helps automate lead categorization and formatting. Import your data, and AI will clean and organize it for you. To ensure your outreach success, clean and validate your data. Duplicate entries and invalid emails can hurt your results. AI tool recommendation, never bounce. This tool checks and validates email addresses automatically, reducing bounce rates and ensuring your messages land where they're supposed to. Pro tip, always use a bulk email validator before starting your outreach campaigns. Now comes the fun part, reaching out to your leads with emails that convert. Follow these steps. Focus on local services like restaurants or small shops. They often need digital solutions and are more likely to respond. Working on Google Sheets, adding business details. Once you've gathered your list, organizing it is critical for follow-up. Here's how. Copy and paste the emails into a spreadsheet. Add columns for business names, locations, and notes. AI tool recommendation, Google Sheets with GPT for Sheets. Add-on. This handy tool helps automate lead categorization and formatting. Import your data, and AI will clean and organize it for you. Create templates for initial outreach and follow-ups. Personalize each email to the recipient. AI tool recommendation, ChatGPT or Jasper AI. These tools help you craft tailored email sequences. Simply describe your service and they'll generate persuasive, professional emails for you. Sample email flow. Intro email. Highlight how you solve a specific pain point. Follow-up email, include testimonials or case studies. Closing email, create urgency with a limited time offer. Thank you for staying with on this video. There you have it. A simple step-by-step guide to using the DTI method for finding and downloading leads. Start small, scale up, and let AI do the heavy lifting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll be sharing more tips on how to grow your income online using modern, efficient methods. If you want, Pau can download links to some cutting-edge AI programs that we covered, like Jasper AI and Neverbounce.